Hi guys, this is Mohit Goel, your maths coach with another problem. For more ideas on how to solve maths problems which include multiple concepts, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. Now look at this question. It is based on conditional identity also of trigonometry. Okay, so it's a mixture of three concepts. So we know that x square greater than 0. Can we say that x square plus 1 upon x square is greater than equal to 2? Using arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean concept. So if I apply this concept, so your problem that y into x square plus 1 upon x square, which is equal to cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2, I can say that this y will be less than equal to 1 by 2, and this is cos square a by 2, cos square b by 2, cos square b by 2, and plus cos square c by 2. Okay, now we can apply that formula cos 2a, and that was 2 cos square a minus 1. Can you write this as 1 plus cos a by 2? This is 1 plus cos b by 2, and this is 1 plus cos c by 2. Or this y will be less than equal to 1 by 4. This is 3 plus cos a plus cos b and plus cos c. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था? दैट इन ए ट्रायंगल ABC, cos a plus cos b plus cos c is always less than equal to 3 by 2. So equality was a special case. So in that case your triangle becomes equilateral, right? So this is 1 by 4, this is 3 plus 3 by 2. So y will be less than equal to 9 by 8. So y का जो maximum value है वो है 9 by 8. क्वेश्चन है इसके सर याद तो है कि cos a plus cos b plus cos c का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 3/2 होता है, बट सर ये नहीं पता कि करते कैसे हैं. भाई जनता तो यही करती है ना, जब मैक्सिमाइज या मिनिमाइज करना होता है विदाउट लॉजिक वो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ले लेते हैं कि सर ट्रायंगल है cos a plus cos b plus cos c, सर मैक्सिमाइज हो जाएगा व्हेन a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 60 degree. Now let me tell you how do we get the maximum value as 3/2. देखिए, so what I am doing, मैं cos a plus cos b plus cos c का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू सोच रहा हूं. डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस है. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू वन एलिगेंट अप्रोच कि स्मार्टली कैसे इसको कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग, मैं cos थीटा का ग्राफ प्लॉट कर रहा हूं फ्रॉम -π/2 टू π/2. एक रेंज लेके चल रहा हूं थीटा की पाई, एंटायर लेंथ पाई. सो इफ आई प्लॉट like this, okay, now consider any 3 points on this curve. So let's take A, B and join them. ये लो यार. Okay, so if this graph is for y is equal to cos x, let's take this point as A comma cos A, this as B cos B, and this as C cos C. Okay, this is P Q R. So what about the centroid of this triangle? Let's take that centroid as G. So what about the coordinates? तो इसके coordinates होंगे a plus b plus c by 3 and then cos a plus cos b plus cos c by 3. Okay, now do one thing. Let's draw a line. So let's draw a line from this जो आपके कर्व को किसी पॉइंट पर मीट कर रहा है. सपोज दिस इज S and this foot of perpendicular is T. अब मैं पूछूं कि बॉस मुझे S के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दो, तो ऑब्वियसली S और G का तो x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम होगा. बट वी नो दैट कि जो पॉइंट S है वो कर्व के ऊपर है, तो अगर x कोऑर्डिनेट a प्लस बी प्लस सी बाई 3 है, तो व्हाट अबाउट द y कोऑर्डिनेट? इट विल बी a cos ऑफ a प्लस बी प्लस सी बाई 3. Okay, now tell me, can we say that st is greater than gt? Equality is a special case. What is st? The y coordinate of s, which is cos of a plus b plus c by 3, and this is greater than equal to cos a plus cos b plus cos c by 3. We know that a, b, c are the angles of a triangle. That's why a plus b plus c is pi. So this becomes cos of pi by 3, which is greater than equal to cos a plus cos b plus cos c by 3. This is half. Take 3 on this side. That's why cos of a plus cos of b plus cos of c is less than equal to 3 by 2. The maximum value will be 3 by 2 when these points are collinear, triangle ka. So collinearity will decide the maximum value. Are you getting my point here? Okay, so this is one approach to find out the maximum value of cos a plus cos b plus cos c, where a, b, c are the angles of a triangle. अब तुमने कहा सर ये तो स्मार्ट ट्रिक है, सर हमें तो क्लिक नहीं करेगी, सो क्या करें? Your problem was y is less than equal to, it was 1 by 4 3 plus cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Now let's apply cos c plus cos d ka formula. So that was 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and this part cos c as it is, or this is 3 plus, we know that a plus b plus c is pi. So can we say that a plus b is pi minus c? Can we say that a plus b by 2 will be pi by 2 minus c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 and plus cos c? So this y is less than equal to 1 by 4. This is 3 plus 2. This is sin c by 2. This is cos of a minus b by 2, and this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Okay, जनता यार ये तो हमें पता है that cos of a minus b by 2 is less than equal to 1. So if I consider its maximum value, can we say that y will be less than equal to 3, 1 by 4 3 plus 2 sin c by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Can we make it a perfect square? So हम इसको एक perfect square वाली form में convert कर लेते हैं. So y is less than equal to 1 by 4. This is 3 plus, or you can take 4, that's up to you. So let's take 2 common, minus 2 common, so it gives you sin square c by 2 and minus का sin c by 2. I will add 1 by 4 from my side, then subtract 1 by 4. Okay, so this y is less than equal to 1 by 4. This is 4 minus 2 into. This part becomes a perfect square of the form sin c by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. What about this part? This is 1 by 4. So this gives you 1 by 2. So plus ka 1 by 2. Is that clear? And what about 4 plus? So 4 plus half will be 9 by 2, and this is 2 into sin c by 2 minus half whole square. प्रॉब्लम क्या था? हमें इस एक्सप्रेशन को मैक्सिमाइज करना था. ओके, 9 by 2 कांस्टेंट है, उसमें से कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, तो जो चीज सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रही है उसको मिनिमाइज कर दें. एंड लुक, दिस इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, एंड वी नो दैट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर इज ऑलवेज नॉन नेगेटिव. सो इसका जो मिनिमम वैल्यू होगा वो 0 है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि सर वो पॉसिबल है? मैंने कहा यस, इन दिस केस इट इज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज साइन सी बाई टू का वैल्यू हाफ हो सकता है, और अगर साइन सी बाई टू की वैल्यू हाफ हो गई, इट इंप्लाइज c by 2 becomes 30 degree, that means c becomes 60 degree. So y का जो maximum value है, it is 1 by 4, 9 by 2, it gives you 9 by 8, which is possible when c is 60 degree, and in between मैंने concept apply किया था that cos of a minus b by 2 less than equal to 1 है, तो I took the maximum value of cos of a minus b by 2, which is 1, which is possible when a minus b becomes 0, that means a is equal to b. So this is true for c is equal to 60, a is equal to b is equal to 60 degree. So this can achieve its maximum value as 9 by 8 when the triangle becomes equilateral triangle, and this is the reason